Are we alone in the universe? This question, as old as humanity itself, has captivated our imaginations and fueled countless stories, myths, and scientific inquiries. The vastness of space, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, suggests a universe teeming with possibilities. Yet despite decades of searching, definitive proof of extraterrestrial life remains elusive. The silence of the cosmos is deafening, a stark contrast to the cacophony of life on our planet. Is this silence a testament to our uniqueness, or have we simply not listened closely enough? In this exploration we will delve into the mysteries of alien life, examining the scientific evidence, the cultural fascination, and the profound implications of discovering that we are not alone. The truth, as always, lies somewhere between the realms of science fiction and scientific fact. Our journey begins with a fundamental question. What do we know about the universe and our place within it? The universe, as revealed by modern astronomy, is a place of staggering scale and diversity. Billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, stretch out across unimaginable distances. Our own Milky Way galaxy is but one island of light in this vast cosmic ocean. In recent decades, astronomers have discovered thousands of planets orbiting other stars known as exoplanets. These discoveries have revolutionized our understanding of planetary systems and increased the likelihood of finding worlds similar to our own. Some of these distant planets reside within the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Yet, the existence of habitable planets does not guarantee the presence of life. The conditions for life to arise and evolve are complex and still not fully understood. However, the discovery of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments on Earth, suggests that life is remarkably resilient and adaptable. Could similar life forms exist in the hidden corners of other planets, waiting to be discovered? In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake developed an equation to estimate the number of detectable civilizations in our galaxy. The Drake equation, as it came to be known, considers factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, and the probability of intelligent life evolving on a suitable planet. While the equation provides a framework for thinking about the possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence, many of its variables are still highly uncertain. Estimates for the number of civilizations in our galaxy range from a handful to millions, highlighting the vast unknowns in our understanding of life's cosmic abundance. Despite these uncertainties, the Drake equation underscores a fundamental point. The universe is vast, and even if the probability of life arising on any given planet is small, the sheer number of planets suggests that we are unlikely to be alone. If intelligent life is indeed common in the universe, why haven't we encountered it yet? This question, known as the Fermi paradox, has puzzled scientists and philosophers for decades. The paradox highlights the discrepancy between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations existing and the lack of any observable evidence for them. Several hypotheses attempt to explain the Fermi paradox. Perhaps interstellar travel is simply too difficult or too costly, even for advanced civilizations. Or maybe intelligent life is inherently self-destructive, tending to wipe itself out before it can reach out to the stars. Another possibility is that we are simply looking in the wrong places or listening for the wrong signals. The Fermi paradox remains a sobering reminder of our limited understanding of the universe and the challenges of detecting life beyond Earth. It is a puzzle that continues to inspire scientific inquiry and philosophical debate. Section 5. Close Encounters, UFO Sightings and Government Secrets. For decades, reports of unidentified flying objects or UFOs have captured the public imagination and fueled speculation about alien visitation. While the vast majority of UFO sightings can be attributed to misidentified aircraft, weather phenomena, or hoaxes, some cases remain unexplained. Among the most famous UFO incidents is the alleged crash of an extraterrestrial spacecraft near Roswell, New Mexico, in 1947. The US government initially claimed the object was a weather balloon, but later admitted it was a secret military surveillance project. The Roswell incident, shrouded in secrecy and conflicting accounts, continues to be a source of intrigue and conspiracy theories. Another well-known case is the Phoenix Lights, a series of lights observed over Phoenix, Arizona in 1997. Witnesses described a V-shaped formation of lights moving silently across the sky. While the U.S. Air Force attributed the lights to flares dropped from military aircraft, many witnesses dispute this explanation, and the incident remains a subject of debate. Section 6. In Search of Answers, Scientific Inquiry and Space Exploration. Despite the lack of definitive proof, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to be a driving force in scientific exploration. Astronomers are using increasingly sophisticated telescopes to scan the cosmos for signs of life, from biosignatures in the atmospheres of exoplanets to radio signals from distant civilizations. Space agencies around the world are sending robotic missions to explore our solar system, searching for evidence of past or present life on Mars, Europa, Enceladus, and other potentially habitable worlds. The discovery of even microbial life beyond Earth would be a monumental event, fundamentally altering our understanding of life's place in the universe. The quest to find alien life is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It is about understanding our origins, our place in the cosmos, and the potential for life to exist elsewhere in the universe. It is a journey of discovery that challenges our assumptions, expands our horizons, and reminds us of the wonders that lie beyond our planet. Section 7. The Cultural Canvas: Aliens in Our Midst. The possibility of extraterrestrial life has had a profound impact on human culture, inspiring countless works of science fiction, movies, television shows, and art. From H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds to Steven Spielberg's E.T., the Extraterrestrial, aliens have served as both objects of fear and fascination, reflecting our anxieties and aspirations. Alien encounters in popular culture often serve as metaphors for real-world issues, such as Cold War paranoia, environmental destruction, or the search for meaning in a seemingly indifferent universe. They allow us to explore complex themes and emotions through the lens of the unknown, challenging our perceptions and prompting us to question our place in the grand scheme of things. The enduring appeal of aliens in our cultural narratives speaks to our deep-seated curiosity about the universe and our place within it. They represent the unknown, the other, and the possibility of encountering something truly different from ourselves. Section 8. Why We Believe: The Psychology of Extraterrestrial Fascination. The belief in extraterrestrial life, even in the absence of concrete evidence, can be attributed to a complex interplay of psychological factors. For some, the vastness of the universe and the seeming improbability of our existence lead to a sense of cosmic loneliness, a yearning for connection with other intelligent beings. Others find comfort in the idea that we are not alone, that there may be other civilizations out there facing similar challenges and striving for similar goals. The belief in aliens can provide a sense of hope, purpose, and perspective in a world often characterized by uncertainty and division. The psychological appeal of aliens also stems from our innate curiosity about the unknown, our desire to make sense of the world around us, and our tendency to find patterns and meaning even in random events. The human mind is wired to seek explanations, and for some, the belief in extraterrestrial life provides a compelling narrative that fills in the gaps in our understanding. Section 9. A Universe of Possibilities. The search for extraterrestrial life is ultimately a search for ourselves. It is a journey of discovery that forces us to confront fundamental questions about our origins, our place in the cosmos, and the nature of life itself. While we may never know for certain whether we are alone in the universe, the pursuit of this question continues to inspire scientific innovation, philosophical inquiry, and cultural imagination. As we continue to explore the universe, we must remain open to the possibility of encountering something truly different from ourselves, something that challenges our assumptions and expands our understanding of what it means to be alive. The universe is full of wonders, and the greatest discovery may be the one that reveals we are not as alone as we once thought.